Good morning, students. In our last class, we had discussed about solutions. So, what are solutions? There are two parts of solution. One is solute and one is solvent. A solution may have a small amount of solute dissolved in it, while another solution may have a large amount of solute dissolved in it. So, the solution having small amount of solute is said to have low concentration, and it is known as dilute solution. द सोल्यूशन हैविंग अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट, जिसमें हमारा सोल्यूट जो है वो कितना होगा, दैट विल बी इन लार्ज अमाउंट, द सोल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड कंसंट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन. So the concentration of the solution depends upon the amount of solute present in the given amount of solution. Here is the definition of concentration. It is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. एक फिक्स अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूशन में कितना सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट है, लेसर है, हायर है, दैट इज called the concentration of the solution. So there are many ways to find out the concentration of a solution, but most common way to present the concentration of a solution is the percentage method, the easiest method. Suppose we have a solution, if we say 10% solution of a common salt. 10% solution of a common salt means in 100 gram of solution, 10 gram of, in 100 gram of solution, 10 gram of common salt is present. So in 100 gram of solution, 10 gram of salt is present. It means 10 gram of solute, that is salt, plus 90 gram of water, that is solvent, makes up the 100 gram of the makes up the 100 gram of the solution. This is how we can calculate the concentration of a solution. For calculating the concentration of a solution, we have a formula, that is amount of solute divided by the amount of solution. We have this general formula of calculating the concentration of a solution. It can be calculated in two ways, mass by mass percentage and mass by volume percentage. Mass by mass, and second is mass by volume percentage. So in first case, we will take mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. But if we talk about mass by volume, it means here we compare the mass of solute with the volume of a solution. So the formula will be mass of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. So if nothing is mentioned in the question, then we will calculate mass by mass. But if it is particularly mentioned in the question that we have to calculate mass by volume percentage, then we will use this formula. Okay. So now let's move to one example. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. So calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage. So for calculating mass by mass percentage, we know that our formula is mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100. So for this we need mass of solute and mass of solution. According to our equation here, a solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. So which is the solute in both of them? So solute is which is present in lesser amount. So the salt is solute here. So we will write mass of solute 40 gram. If we write mass of solvent, water is the solvent, 320 gram. But in our formula, we need mass of solute and divided by mass of solution. So it means we have to calculate mass of solution. What is a solution? Solution is the mixture of solute and solvent. So mass of solution will be 40 plus 320, that is equal to 360 gram. So now according to our formula of mass by mass percentage of a solution. First of all, we will write mass of solute. We will write mass of solute, that is 40, divided by mass of solution, that is 360, multiplied by 100. Zeros get cancelled out. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. It will become 100 by 9. And if we change it into decimal, it will be 11.1. And we know we are calculating here the percentage, so it will be 11.1%. So see how we had calculated constant mass by mass percentage of a solution. First of all, we have to write mass of solute, then mass of solvent, but we need mass of solution also. So we have to add up the mass of solute and mass of solvent. Then what it becomes? It becomes 360 gram. So we will put the values according to the formula. 40 divided by 360 into 100, and it comes out to be 11.1%. Let's discuss about one more example. So here is the question. To make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water. So the solute is sodium chloride, that is 36 gram. So we will write mass of solute is 36 gram. Mass of, again, it is solvent. The mass of solvent is given here, that is 100 gram. So what will be the mass of solution? Again, by adding, we will get 136 gram. The mass of solution is 136 grams. Okay. So again, we will find out, nothing is mentioned here, so we will calculate mass by mass percentage. We will add 36 divided by 136 multiplied by 100. So it comes out to be 3600 divided by 136. Again, if we convert it into decimal, we will get 26.47%. So it is the concentration of this solution at the temperature 293